Uphiko lwentsha ye-MK Party luthi lesi sinqumo singujuqu.
We are officially proclaiming the presidential candidate of MK, the only man we are voting for in the MK in these coming elections, officially for the first time to the public. We are unveiling it. It is Jacob Zuma. I must repeat this so that it can sink to everyone. The official presidential candidate of MK. We have resolved, and with this position, we are not engageable. We are not open for any engagements.
Lufunga liyagomela ke ukuthi buyochitheka bugayiwe uma nje ubuso bukaZuma bususwa ohlwini lwevoti.
Let me tell you and proclaim this, comrades. If they remove the ballot of MK, they remove President Zuma as the president and our face of the campaign and try to take our right, which is enshrined in Chapter 2 of the Constitution. Currently, there won't be elections in South Africa.
Ukhanyile ukhwele wadilika ke ku-ANC ngokuzama ukulisa enkantolo udaba lokusetshenziswa kophawu lomkhonto wesizwe.
Wena umkhonto wawuvala ngo-93. Wavala ne-MKMVA ke lokhu kokusiza amasosha ke Nkosi yami azabalaza anganalutho. Wawuvala nakho. Mase sivusele umkhonto wethu abantu abamnyama ozositabula. Usuthi hayi usiya owakho wena. Sivume lonto.
Lokwenzeke nakuba ikhomishana engamele ukhetho i-IEC iqinisekisile ukuthi uZuma angeke kwazi ukubhaliswa njengomuntu ozongenela ukhetho kulonyaka ngoba akahlangabezani nemigomo ye-IEC. uZuma ke walahlwa yicala lokwedelela inkantolo yomthethosisekelo ngo-2021 wagwetshwa izinyanga eziyi-15 ejele ngenxa yokwenqaba ukuyovela ekhomishaneni kaZondo. Kepha-ke ugcine esenikwa ushwele ngumengameli wezwe ngaphansi kohlelo lukamengameli lokuxolela iziboshwa ezingeyona ingozi ukwehlisa ukuminyana emajele.